Akuada means daughter born to bring wealth into the family. Jasmine says she likes that name a lot, but then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Akuada, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question. Akuada's names give them the power to have favor and blessing when it comes to money. In this modern era, that means they do well in everything, from cash lotteries to the stock market, and they easily attract rich potential husbands. Jasmine said she liked that name a lot. She wanted only the best for her daughter, as she thought about the wonderful life that her daughter would have with her wealthy husband. If she named her daughter Akuada, she knew her baby